Welcome back. FC Goa are in desperate position ahead of Sunday's ISL match against Mumbai City FC. With just 4 points from 6 matches, Zico's boys are heading to the halfway stage of the competition, placed at the bottom of the table. It will be tough for FC Goa to qualify for the top 4 bracket if the team does not get a victory in the early kickoff on Sunday at Fatorda. On the other hand, the upwardly mobile Mumbai will be raring to go, especially due to the red-hot form of striker Nicolas Anelka.
Zico will have to work out something to get his team to fire collectively in the home match against the in-form Mumbai City FC. Goa had clinched the only victory in the ISL so far in their previous match at the Nehru Stadium. Zico is finding it frustrating to see his boys failing to execute the plans made in the training sessions.
I don't believe in luck.
Eu acho que a gente talvez esteja escolhendo, fazendo as escolhas erradas na hora do chute, do passe. Isso não é sorte.
Maybe we are doing just the wrong choice when we're going to finalize the situation, so it is not luck.
Desatenção nas coisas que são alertadas, a gente sofre gols de jogadas que são treinadas. Eu acho que isso não é falta de sorte, isso é desatenção no jogo.
So we are not paying attention to some things that we have been training during the week. So some situation in the game we do make some mistakes. So it's not about luck, bad luck. No, it's just things that happens in the game.
Home players are trying hard. Now we are playing me, Romeo, Gabriel. Home players played the game, but we are not getting the result. So it doesn't look good that home players are playing good.
Before coming to Goa, Mumbai City FC have secured 2 consecutive victories, with French striker Nicolas Anelka running into seriously lethal goal-scoring form.
The last couple of games, we've got a shape and a defensive organisation which I think suits us. And we haven't been spectacular, but we've been very, very disciplined and very thorough. So I'd like to think we turn the corner, but this will be a big test against Goa.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.